So I get you a little practice, okay, before they join in. So if I want to have 2 out of 5, I want to list out the equivalent fractions, okay? I begin with 10 and then 15, 8, 10. Can you fill back these numbers? What is the first one? From 5 to 10? 2 should go to how many?
4.
Yeah, oh, okay, good. Both of them multiply by 4. So 5 go to 15. So 2 should change to 8. 5?
6.
Yeah, 6. Okay. How do you get 6?
By counting by equal numbers. 2, 4, 6.
Oh, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Can we also look at it like this? For equivalent fractions, okay. Well, when we change equivalent fractions, we can also do it by this. 5 go to 15, you need to multiply by a 3. Okay. So the top one, because it is a fraction, you cannot change the size of it. You can also multiply by 3. So you will get 6.
Equals 6.
Okay. So can you tell me if 2 goes to 8, 5, you should go to how many?
20.
Yeah, very good. Okay, 2 goes to 8, you multiply by a 4. 5 goes to 20, you also multiply by how many?
4.
4, yeah. So for 2, go to 10. 5, you should go to how many?
25.
Yeah, how do you get 25?
Times 5.
Times 5, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so another one. If I have 3 out of 7, I want to change it to 28. So what should I do for 3? How many should I make 3 into? From 7 to 28. What is the number?
7 to 28.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, 4, right. So you have
3 times 4 equals 12.
Yeah, correct. Okay, that's what we have done last time. So you found it difficult or easy?
A bit easy since I know multiplication since I do it every day.
Oh, you do it every day. That's a good practice.
I say it every day.
Oh, that's a good practice. Okay, your parents asked you to do so?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. If you're good at the times table, you will be doing very well in your math. Okay, times table is quite crucial, quite important. Okay, have you learned this in the school? The expansion of fractions and the simplification? No. Okay,
No.
that's good that you can learn it well now. Okay, so hello, Selena. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello, Emily. So we were just doing a little bit review with Celia, okay? So last time we've talked about the expansion and the simplification of the fractions, okay? What we were doing is the equivalent fractions. Even though these fractions, they look the same, okay? With 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 6 and 9, actually they represent the same size in a pie, okay? So 3 out of 2, so you shade 2 parts, and then 4 out of 6, you shade 6 parts, 4 parts. You can see that actually the size are the same, okay? This one is pretty hard to draw. Okay, shade 6 of it. You will find that actually they all represent the same. They are called equivalent fractions, okay? Last time we focused on how to expand the fraction, okay? From a smaller number, we expand to a bigger fraction. It looks bigger with bigger denominator and bigger numerator, okay? So let me ask you, if I want to change 3, denominator 3 into denominator 21, okay? So what should I change for the numerator 2 into which number, Emily? Emily?
14.
Yeah, correct. Okay, how do you get 14? Emily?
Because 21 divided by 3 is 7.
Yeah, it means 3 times 7 is 21. And then what do you need?
Uh,
The answer is 14. That's correct. Okay, so what do you need to do to this 2 as well? If you multiply by 7 for 3, what do you need to do for 2?
7.
Yeah, you also need to multiply by 7. Okay, multiply by 7. Good. 1 out of 2, if I want to change into 16. So Selena, what do you need to do for 1?
2 times 8
is 16. Yeah. And then for the 1, what do you need to do?
1 times 8.
Oh, okay, so we get 8, okay? That's what you have done last time. You expand the fractions, okay? So I still left the simplification of fractions. I haven't talked in detail because it needs some time. We need the division, okay? So last time we go from a fraction with smaller numerator and denominator to a bigger numerator and bigger denominator. This time, I would like to go from a bigger denominator and numerator back into a smaller numerator and denominator. So how are we going to do it? Okay, so first of all, we take a look on the numerator 3. We think of what numbers can give you a 3. It can be just 1 times 3. It gives you a 3. And then we think of 21. Okay, what numbers can give you 21? It can be just 7 times 3. It can be 21. Okay, so you will see that actually they both expand by 3. Okay, so how to make it smaller? If we make it a smaller numerator and smaller denominator, instead of multiplication, we do the reverse, we do the division, okay? We found that 3 can be divided by 3, so we put divided by 3. 21 can also be divided by 3, so we can put it divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we get 1 out of 7. Now, we pause here. We think of 1 out of 7. Can we further simplify it? We found that 1 is just 1 times 1. 7 is 7 times 1. Okay, they cannot be further simplified. And then we call this one the simplest form, okay? So in all of your calculations later in the word problem or other calculations, we always look for the simplest form, okay? So in your answer, if you give me 3 over 21, it is not yet perfect, okay? If you give me 1 out of 7, that's perfect, okay? That's the way, the answer that I want, okay?